Hey, just a quick update. Last few videos I've been talking about the woodworking business and getting things kicked off. So here's a few things I have going on. First, I'm going to tell you about the evolution of my CNC. And what you see here is one of the first big signs I've made on my CNC. And at the time I was pretty proud of this, and it still looks pretty good. But I've went from being able to do this to making a much more complex design that incorporates aircraft carrier and submarine, which I call them my freedom displays. That's what we went to from here to here. This one I actually messed up on this one and I salvaged it, but I just sold one of these yesterday. I sold it for $215. It had a customized CVN 69, which is the Eisenhower. The guy that got it was really happy to get this flag. This is an extra that I made. I actually made a build video that I'm working on right now that shows step by step me putting together this flag and how it's done. So I'll have that published here soon. And please subscribe if you want to see that. Give me a thumbs up. I have made some videos on my YouTube channel that shows a flag like this, where I cut an aircraft carrier and or a submarine. And the difference here, I started making the aircraft carrier and I'm going to make the submarine in different pieces. So this piece being attached to the flag gives it more of, I think, a 3D design. And one thing I'd love to get your opinion about is you can see on this one, the stars aren't painted. In the video that you'll see that I took time to paint the stars. My son gave me this idea because he said that he likes these better without the stars painted. Would you rather see white stars or burned wood stars? So this is pretty much what you got here. The 3D effect. American aircraft carrier breaking through or ripping through an American flag. Pretty cool, huh? So walking around, here's my table that I've been working on, but I haven't been working on. I just hadn't had time, so it's just been sitting under my CNC, collecting dust. I'll get back to that. But I have a build video that is, I'm gonna say 75% complete. My table saw, got a video out for that already of me putting this base on and almost losing my life or religion or something other. And here is the cutout for the aircraft carrier and the jets. Besides that, I've been working on a coffee table for my daughter, trying to get it right. Got the table project that I haven't been working for a while. Making flags for clients when I have a chance. I have a full-time job, so that's hard to do sometimes, hard to make time for it. So I'm just going to do the best I can. Get around to stuff, I'll get around to stuff. But like I said, full-time job, love my job very much. I put a lot of energy and time in my job, but I do like to do stuff like this too. So stay with me. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to post some videos of builds, whether it's personal builds or whether it's business builds. I'm going to try to record that footage and pass that along to you guys and gals. So stay with me, and we'll be back for more real soon.